Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a private story on Snapchat. First of all, just open up the Snapchat application. Now click on the profile icon in the top left corner. Make sure to check the settings to create a private story. Now click on the gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and in the support section, tap on this I need help. And now when you are here, tap on this search bar and search for private Snapchat story. Read it carefully and just go back. Now click on this new story. Tap on this new private story. Add the friends you want to add to your private story. Now tap on this create story and you can rename your story. Then tap on this save and now click on this second option add to private. Your camera will open. Now take any photo you like and click on this private. You can see your story has been uploaded successfully. And that's how you can upload a private Snapchat story. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.